Ontbijtkoek. Dutch breakfast bread. A dessert from Netherlands. Serves 4. You will need 11 ingredients. Step 1. Preheat oven to 350 degrees. Step 2. Combine all the dry ingredients in a large mixing bowl. In a medium-sized bowl, combine all the liquid ingredients together until well blended. Stir wet ingredients into dry ingredients until moistened. Step 3. Pour batter into an oiled loaf pan and bake for 50 to 60 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted in the middle of the cake comes out clean. Remove from oven and remove from pan. Set on a rack to cool. Step 4. Serve with margarine spread. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.